In this video, we're going to talk about equivalent ratios. So let's say if we have the ratio 8 to 6 and 12 to 9. Are the two ratios equivalent to each other? What would you say? How can we tell if these two are equal? There's two ways which we can do this. First, we need to convert the ratio into a fraction, and then we can simplify the two fractions. Now we can see if they're equal to each other. The second method is to convert them to fractions, set the fractions equal to each other, and then check to see when we cross multiply if the products are equal. So let's try the first method. 8 to 6 can be written as 8 over 6. How can we reduce this fraction? 8 is basically 4 times 2, and 6 is 3 times 2. If I can get rid of these, the 2, I know that 4 over 3 is my simplified fraction. We can do 12 over 9 the same way. I know both of these can be divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. You can see that when we simplified these, they are equal to each other. Okay, let's try the second method. This is the one where we cross multiply. So let's look at our equation again. We have 8 over 6 and 12 over 9. So this method is called cross multiplying, where we go across, like the butterfly, and we multiply. So we want to see what 8 times 9 is and what 6 times 12 is. 8 times 9 is 72. What is 6 times 12? If you add 12 6 times, 6 times 12 is also 72. So you know once we cross multiply that both of these answers are equivalent. Again, this is called the cross multiplying method. We did 8 times 9, and then we did 6 times 12, and they both equal 72. Let's do another one. 12 to 8 and 16 to 12. Let's use both methods to see how we can do this. Let's make this into a fraction. We can divide both of these numbers by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. You want to do the same thing. And then let's do 16 over 12. And 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12. It's 4 over 3. So when I simplify this, I know this answer is 4 over 3, but this one is 3 over 2. These are not equivalent ratios. You could actually do this the cross multiplication way also. So we have 12 over 8 times 16 over 12. Now these numbers are a little bit larger. We are going to cross multiply 8 by 16, 12 by 12. It doesn't matter which one you start off with because we're looking to see if they are equivalent. 12 times 12 is 144. We know that from our multiplication chart. We should know that by heart. What's 8 times 16? We can do the old-fashioned way. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 gives us 128. 128 does not equal 144. This is not equivalent.